Have you ever felt like your business was running you instead of the other way around? Like you're constantly chasing your tail, drowning in paperwork, and losing track of your customers? Especially if you're in the home service industry? Imagine a world where all that chaos just vanished, where your scheduling, invoicing, payments, and customer communication were all streamlined, all in one place. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, maybe not. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a software solution that's been making waves in the home service world. You've probably heard the name whispered in online forums, or maybe seen it pop up in your recommended ads. We're talking about Housecall Pro. But what exactly is Housecall Pro? Is it just another glorified scheduling app? Or is it something more? Is it worth the hype? And most importantly, can it actually help you reclaim your time and sanity? Let's face it, running a home service business is tough. You're juggling a million things at once. You're dealing with customer calls, scheduling appointments, sending out invoices, managing your team, and trying to keep track of it all. And let's not forget the ever-present challenge of getting paid on time. In a world where customers expect instant gratification and seamless experiences, clunky, outdated systems just don't cut it. That's where software solutions like Housecall Pro come into play. They promise to simplify your life, streamline your operations, and ultimately boost your bottom line. But with so many options out there, it's hard to know which one is right for you. So, let's cut through the noise and take a closer look at what Housecall Pro actually offers. At its core, Housecall Pro is a cloud-based business management software designed specifically for home service professionals. Think of it as an all-in-one platform that integrates all the essential tools you need to run your business, from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payment processing. It's built to handle the unique challenges faced by industries like plumbing, HVAC, electrical, cleaning, landscaping, and more. One of the key features of Housecall Pro is its powerful scheduling and dispatching functionality. You can easily create and manage appointments, assign jobs to your team, and track their progress in real time. The software also includes a built-in GPS feature, allowing you to optimize routes and ensure your technicians arrive on time. No more frantic phone calls trying to figure out where your team is. But Housecall Pro goes beyond just scheduling. It also includes a comprehensive invoicing and payment system. You can create professional invoices, send them to your customers via email or text, and accept payments online or in the field. This eliminates the need for manual paperwork and reduces the risk of late payments. You can even set up recurring invoices for regular customers, automating a significant portion of your billing process. And speaking of customers, Housecall Pro also offers robust customer communication tools. You can send automated appointment reminders, follow-up messages, and even request reviews. This helps you build stronger relationships with your customers and improve your overall customer satisfaction. You can even use the built-in messaging feature to communicate with customers directly through the app, keeping all your conversations organized in one place. Now, let's talk about some of the more advanced features that set Housecall Pro apart. For example, it includes a robust reporting and analytics dashboard, giving you valuable insights into your business performance. You can track key metrics like revenue, job completion rates, and customer satisfaction, allowing you to identify areas for improvement. You can even generate custom reports to analyze specific aspects of your business. Another powerful feature is the ability to integrate with other popular business tools, such as QuickBooks Online and Zapier. This allows you to seamlessly connect Housecall Pro with your existing workflows and automate even more of your tasks. For example, you can automatically sync your invoices with QuickBooks, or use Zapier to connect Housecall Pro with your email marketing platform. Housecall Pro also recognizes the importance of marketing in today's digital age. It offers a suite of marketing tools, including automated email campaigns, review management, and online booking. You can even create a professional website directly through the platform, allowing you to showcase your services and attract new customers. Let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Housecall Pro offers different subscription plans, each with its own set of features and pricing. The cost will vary depending on the size of your team and the features you need. It's essential to carefully evaluate your business needs and choose a plan that fits your budget. They do offer free trials so you can test it out before committing. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any software, Housecall Pro has its pros and cons. Some users have reported occasional glitches or slow loading times. And while the customer support is generally considered helpful, some users have experienced delays in getting their issues resolved. It's important to remember that technology isn't perfect, and there will always be occasional hiccups. However, the overwhelming majority of users report positive experiences with Housecall Pro. They praise its ease of use, comprehensive features, and ability to streamline their operations. Many users have reported significant increases in efficiency and revenue after implementing the software. So, who is Housecall Pro for? It's ideal for small to medium-sized home service businesses that are looking to streamline their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and grow their revenue. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps and struggling to keep track of your business, Housecall Pro could be the solution you've been looking for. And here's the kicker. It's designed to be mobile-friendly. Your technicians can access all the essential information they need on their smartphones or tablets, allowing them to manage their jobs on the go. This eliminates the need for paperwork orders and improves communication between your team and your customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.